we're going to do is we're going to prepare this helmet for the top to be riveted on. So I'm going to be taking these plates and temporarily attaching them with Clecos. So, just going to throw a couple on. So I have a limited amount of Clecos, but I'm going to put as many in as I possibly can, at least in one hole out of every two. Helps them line up just a little bit. Many of these I'm going to have to drill out. This is going to get welded on after I rivet everything together underneath, and then I'll polish this, and then I think this is going to end up being copper. I think I'm going to plate it copper. We'll see though. I don't know.
Preparing the pieces for constructing the bar grill. Each of these tabs are ground and then punched and then inserted into the sides of the helmet. The bar grill is then built off of each of these sides, with the pieces each being individually measured and cut so that they can be fitted. They'll then be welded up, polished, and ready to roll. This is the finished helmet. We've copper plated and patinaed the ocular and added a leather drape to kind of bring the two together. We've polished it up and it's ready to head out. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos here at Patrick's Armory.